Fairweather.
Speaking.
My name is Nick Halden. I want to be your broker.
I've already got a broker.
Really? How's he doing for you?
Make any money last year?
Nobody made any money last year.
That's not true. If you're with me, you'd have netted 3%. And that's after the crash.
I don't believe you.
If you got an email address, I'll send you my earnings report right now. Biotech and alcohol were up.
How did you get my number?
Your old broker. He's not smart enough to keep you to himself. What do you do for a living, Charlie?
I'm a history teacher, but I'm not interested.
The only history that's worth a damn is the history we make today. You know who said that?
I believe Henry Ford said that.
Yes, he did. And he was right. Have you heard of Reimer Pharmaceutical?
No.
Of course you haven't, because your job is to teach, and my job is to know about companies like Reimer before everyone else. You know when you don't buy a stock? When your cab driver tells you about it. Now, if you'd known about IBM before the invention of the microchip,
Would you have bought in?
Of course.
well, Reimer is poised for a breakout on the same scale. Monday, the FDA will approve them to begin clinical trials on a quantum-confined nanotechnology that has the potential to transform cancer medicines. And I can get you in on the ground floor.
That sounds like insider trading.
Not at all. No, it's completely legit. Look, I pour over 1,000 pages of scientific, technical BS.
So I can make you rich at $3 a share.
Let's start small. 1,000 shares. I double that for you next week, and then we get serious.
Sounds nice, but I'd have to ask my wife.
Your sale just died, rookie.
Mr. Fairweather, if you invest with me, the only question you'll have to ask your wife is what kind of hardwood floors does she want in her new house?
I don't know.
Life comes down to a few moments, Mr. Fairweather. This is one of them.
He's good. I'm in. But let's make it 5,000 shares.
Thank you. I'll transfer you over to one of our girls, and she'll take your information. How'd my interview go?
Yes. Yes.